everyone. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nausin and you are watching Educational Support. If you like this video, then press the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. Today I gonna teach something to you, that is most important biology questions and answers for medical entrance exam. It is also a very quick test for biology lovers. In my opinion, this video will help each and everyone and judge yourself and revise your mistakes because this lesson increase your confidence level. So let's begin. So number one question is, water-soluble pigments found in plant cell vacuoles are, and the options are carotenoids, anthocyanins, xanthophylls, and the chlorophyll. So the answer is anthocyanins. Do you have any idea what are carotenoids, xanthophylls, and anthocyanins? Carotenoids are yellow to organ pigments absorbing light strongly in blue-violet range. They are light harvesting complex, wherein they protect the chlorophyll from photooxidation by high-intensity light and from O2 during photosynthesis. Xanthophylls are type of carotenoid which is yellow in color and contains oxygen, for example, fucoxanthin. So, xanthophylls and chlorophylls are not water soluble as they are light harvesting complex. So, anthocyanins are water soluble vacuolar pigments that may appear red, purple, or blue depending on pH. It is impermeable to cell membranes of plants and can leak out only when membrane is damaged or dead. So, this is the basic chemical structure of anthocyanins. So, the water-soluble pigments found in plant cell vacuoles are anthocyanins. Next question is, which of the following is not a stem modification? And the options are tendrils of cucumber, flattened structures of opuntia, feature of nepenthes, and the last one is thorns of citrus. The answer is option C, feature of nepenthes. Do you know what are the types of special stem modifications? Yes, types of special stem modifications are phylloscopes, cladode, thorn, and tendrils. So, phylloscopes are flat, fleshy, green leaf-like structure which has a succession of nodes and internodes at long and short intervals. For example, opuntia. Cladode are phylloclad with one internode is called cladode. For example, asperger and ruscus. Thorn are modification of axillary bud or terminal bud of the stem. It may bear leaves, flowers, and endogenous in origin. For example, pomegranate, citrus, etc. And tendrils also help the plant to climb. It is modification of axillary bud and exogenous in origin. For example, grapes, cucumber, pumpkins, watermelon, etc. But nepenthes is a tropical feature plant or a genus of carnivorous plants. Nepenthes consist of a climbing stem, a tendril which helps in climbing and protrudes from the tip of the leaf. At the end of the tendril, the leaf is modified to form feature which contains a fluid used to catch the prey. So thus the correct answer is option C, feature of nepenthes. This is the morphology of feature of nepenthes. On question number 3, which one of the following is the started codon? And the options are UAA, UAG, AUG, and the last one is UGA. And the answer is option C, AUG. Do you know why AUG is the start codon? The start codon is the first codon of a messenger RNA transcript translated by a ribosome. The start codon always codes for methionine in eukaryotes and a modified MET in bacteria, mitochondria, and plastids. The most common start codon is AUG, that is ATG in the corresponding DNA sequence. The start codon is often preceded by a 5' untranslated region. So, the answer is option C, AUG. Next, we are going to focus on question number 4. Which of the following is required as inducers for the expression of lac operon? And the options are lactose, lactose and galactose, glucose. The last one is galactose. So the answer is lactose. Do you know what is lac operon? Lac operon is an inducible operon. Lactose is the substrate for the enzyme beta-galactosidase. Do you know what is the function of lactose or what happens when lactose is present? It regulates switching on and off of the operon. So lactose is converted to allolactose by beta-galactosidase in an alternative reaction to the hydrolytic one. Allolactose is an isomer of lactose and is the producer of the inducer of the lac operon. So hence it is termed as inducer. So the answer is lactose. On question number 5, stems modified into flat green organs performing the functions of leaves are known as, and the options are phylloclast, scales, caudes, and the last one is phyllo. So the answer is phylloclast. As we learned that types of special stem cell modifications are phylloclast, cladode, thorn, and tendrils. So phylloclasts are flat, tracy, green leaf-like structure which has a succession of nodes and internodes at long and short intervals. Leaves are modified into spine or skull to check transpiration. So photosynthesis takes place in phylloclast, for example, Opuntia. So the answer is phylloclast. On question number 6, which is the national aquatic animal of India? And the options are blue whale, seahorse, Gangetic shark, and the last one is river dolphin. So the answer is river dolphin. The Ganges river dolphins were officially discovered in 1801. It is one of the national symbols of India. Do you have any idea why Ganges dolphin is national aquatic animal of India? The reason to declare Ganges river dolphin as the national aquatic animal of India was to save it from extinction. On question number 7 is, name the chronic respiratory disorder caused mainly by cigarette smoking. And the options are respiratory acidosis, respiratory alkalosis, emphysema, and the last one is asthma. So the answer is emphysema. Emphysema is a chronic disorder in which alveolar valves are damaged, due to which respiratory surface is decreased, and one of the major causes of this is cigarette smoking. So emphysema is a destructive disease of the lungs in which the alveoli that promote oxygen exchange between the ear and the bloodstream are destroyed. Smoking is the primary cause of emphysema. Most commonly, the toxins in cigarette smoke create the damage. The primary symptoms of emphysema is shortness of breath. So the answer is emphysema. Now question number 8. Which one of the following characters is not spread by birds and mammals? And the options are viviparity, warm-blooded nature, ossified endoskeleton, and the last one is breathing using lungs. So the answer is option A, viviparity. Mammals and viviparous, while birds and amphibious, birds are amphibious, because mammals are viviparous and birds are amphibious. So viviparous means giving birth to offspring that develop within the mother's body, but amphibious means producing eggs that hatch outside the body of mother. So the answer is viviparity. On question number 9, which of the following does not belong to vitamin B group? And the options are riboflavin, nicotine, cyanocobalamin, and the last one is tocopherol. So the answer is tocopherol. There are 8 B group vitamins, and do you know what is the functions of these vitamins? These vitamins are essential for bodily functions such as energy production and making red blood cells. So there are 8 types of vitamin B: thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, biotin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12. This is an overview of tocopherol. On question number 10, certain B vitamins are, and the options are enzymes, coenzymes, hormones, and the last one is digestive substances. So the answer is coenzymes. Because B vitamins are a class of water-soluble vitamins that play important roles in cell membrane, and each B vitamin is either a cofactor for key metabolic processes or is a precursor needed to make one. So all of the water-soluble vitamins and 2 of the fat-soluble vitamins A and K function as cofactors or coenzymes. Do you know what is coenzymes? Coenzymes participate in numerous biochemical reactions involving energy release or catabolism, as well as the accompanying anabolic reaction. So certain B vitamins are coenzymes. It was great connecting. So you have a good one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you get notification. Thanks a lot.